Hello, in this video, we will look at a case study on deck of cards. The problem is to create a program that will randomly select four cards from a deck of cards. So this is what the program is trying to do. You pick four cards from a deck of 52 cards. Pick four cards, pick four cards, pick four cards. In the future, you will be able to write a GUI program like this with four images of cards and the button. When click the pick four cards button, you will see four random cards. But for now, we're going to write a program without using GUI user interface, and we will randomly pick four cards. How do you store all these cards in the program? We're going to put all these cards in the array of 52 integers. We have the number for the card starting from 0 to 51. So put it into the stack of cards. We're going to map these cards according to this scheme. So this 52 cards are divided into four groups, and there's four different suits. So the first 13 cards are spades, and then hearts, diamonds, and clubs. So the total is 52. So these are the numbers 0 to 51. And performing random shuffle, we will get all the numbers shuffled. We pick the first four numbers. And now look at this. 6 means the card number 6 is 7. So because the first one is 0 and S is 0, so that is this card 6 means 7. And what is this suit? It is spades. So you use this 6 divided by 13 is 0, so that falls into the first group. Now let's look at 48. 48, remember 13 is 9, so the card number is 10. 48, remember 13 is 9. This is 48 divided by 13 is 3. So that means it is clubs. So this is how you get to determine the suits and to determine the rank. And 0 is ace, 12 is king, 10, 11, 12, jack, queen, king. Now we're going to write this program now. So I'm going to start this animation, and you see how this works. Here it is to...
The program starts the execution from the main method. The statement creates an array of 52 int values.
So this is an int array with initial values all zeros.
The statement creates an array of 4 strings.
And this is the 4 strings. And for the suits, spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. And
the statement creates an array of 13 strings.
Now,
the array is initialized with values 0 to 51. Shuffle deck.
Performing a shuffle. So you're going to do this randomly generate an index. And so this is going to be swap this deck index with deck I, and that's get randomly shuffled.
I is now 0. The program tests if I is less than 4. Since 0 is less than 4 is true, the program executes the loop body. Check your understanding what will be suits deck 0 divide 13 after this statement is executed.
Now this is deck is rank 0 divided by 13, that's 12 divided by 13 is 0. So that is 0. But the question is asking you, what is suits brackets 0? So what is suits brackets 0? That should be spades. So you're going to type this, spades.
You are correct. It is spades. Dec 0 is 12. Dec 0 divide 13 is 0. Suits 0 is spades. Check your understanding what will be ranks Dec 0 remainder 13 after this statement is executed.
So what would be this ranks brackets Dec 0 remainder 13? So that is 12. 12 remainder 13 is 12. So ranks 12, it is king right here.
You are correct. It is king. Dec 0 is 12. Dec 0 remainder 13 is 12.
Now,
Ranks 12 is king. The program display card 12.
You pick the one card. So continue in the loop, you're going to pick 4 cards. So it goes to next I is, look, this deck 1, 2, 3, and you get the final result, picking 4 cards. So right in this program, using strings, using arrays, and using random shuffle, and this is very skillfully, and put all this into this array and makes program really neat. That is all for this section on this case study deck of cards. See you on the next video.